welcome to my channel. I am ThatRoni, and today we're gonna watch Mother Nature by the Who feat LP. You guys suggested it, and since I was very intrigued after the last song that we watched from them, I can't wait. So let's jump right into it. I don't know why, again, it feels like an ending of a movie, like, you know, when the title sequence starts like rolling. It almost felt like a good closure. I did not expect, I don't know anything about LP, so I didn't know what to expect to. Her voice is very, there's something very, I want to say tribal almost in her voice, and it really works well with them. I heard at the beginning, and I wish they would show this like doing doing, you know, that instrument that I don't know how it's called, I forgot. But I'm sure you guys gonna let me know down in the comment section below. They have really interesting sound, and I kind of want to hear something like stronger now from them, because I think the last one was also kind of more mellow. It was with Lizzie Hale, and it was semi-rock, but I kind of feel like hearing something else. And I do have Wolf Totem on my list. I'm assuming it might be stronger, so we will jump into that one soon too. I liked the change. There was a moment there. It's not a violin, it's not a cello, whatever that thing is. It just shifted, like the melody shifted, like almost like a bridge. It was beautiful. Everything worked together. I like that his voice, even though the language is a little harsh, his voice was very soothing. It was very almost like meditative. Meditation? You know what I'm trying to say, probably, maybe. It was nice. Thank you for introducing me to The Who. And on that note, don't forget to visit their channel. I will put the links in the description below. And huge shout out to you, my patrons. You guys are amazing, 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 amazing. You make me feel warm and fuzzy inside. So thank you. Thank you, subscribers, likers, dislikers, commenters, people who just pop by and say hi. I appreciate you all so very, very much. And I will see you on the next one. Mwah.